today we have custom lipstick in seconds using this really cool nifty machine. This was sent to us by GoPlay, and this is their lips kit. The owner herself sent this to us, so thank you, Mugda. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I'm so sorry if I'm not. But this is not a sponsored video. It's not affiliated. She just sent this to us to play with it off camera, and we wanted to play with it on camera with you guys because this looks so intriguing and so cool. And Jackie's going to join me today because she has different skin tone than I do. She's more olive toned, a little more warmer, and I'm very cool toned. And she sent us 2 lip kits. So we have the summer, winter, cool, and then we have the spring, warm, autumn. Let's do it. I'm so excited. So this right here is actually really interesting. You have these little paint cartridges or just your color. We have red, yellow, blue, white, and black. And I think we also have a purple that she sent over as well. And you essentially make your custom lip colors, which is really cool. And you can also make them match. You can make them more satin, more glossy. You can also add in glitter, silver, or bronze. And then she also sent over her lip scrub and makeup be gone. Basically makeup eraser or makeup balm to take it off. But the lip scrub, it's edible coconut sugar scrub. So if you want a snack, you have a snack right in front of you. You're probably wondering how much this costs.
Yes.
$70 US, which is not bad. If you compare it to the YSL, which is more automated, I believe that one was what, 200? But basically how you make this work is you actually pump the colors out to your custom shade, and this comes with inside, you unroll this, it's a piece of paper, and it gives you custom lip colors. So for example, if you want something a little bit more muted, pink, you do 1 red pump and then 2 pumps of white. But also, you can go online and do this really quick quiz stating what your skin tone is, what your undertone, what kind of hair color you have, your eye color, and it gives you so many options as well for your lips. But I mean, you can play with it. You don't have to be cool tone to wear cool tone lipsticks. You can also wear warm tone. I think it's, you know, what your preference is. This right here, I already took the quiz. This is some of my shades, and I think Jackie's is very similar. So maybe we'll retake the quiz and do completely the opposite and see if some of these lip colors look good on us as well. Let's try in some lip colors.
Let's do it.
Let's do it, Jackie. Okay, now that it's prepped and then ready to go, you do have to have this little thing, catcher, on the bottom, and it's kind of cool because you can take it with you. This kind of looks like eyeliner, gel eyeliner.
It does. And it came with like
a little brush as well.
4 of them?
Mm-hmm.
4 and then like a pot attached already without the lid.
So you can have 5 custom lip shades at once.
At a time.
At a time, yes. Okay, so I have the cool tone one, like I said. Jackie has the warm, and we're gonna create some colors. Which one do you want to create? Ooh,
maybe this one?
That one, or even this one.
Oh, I like that one.
It's kind of pretty.
Let's do that one.
Okay, so how many pumps of each do you need to create?
I got a lot going on over here.
Oh, you got everything but black.
Yeah.
And in what grade do you guys mix colors?
I mean, we're like in...
Second or third?
I thought it was kindergarten.
Kindergarten?
Right?
We need a color wheel.
Yeah.
This is really fun though. Like I love that they actually give
How about
you
I do this one?
The green? I could do a cool tone green.
Yeah.
I want to do this one. Yeah, it doesn't have names or numbers. So for me, I'm going to do 2 pumps of red and 3 pumps of yellow and 2 pumps of white.
I've got 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 blue, and 2 white.
Oh, fun. So ours is very different. Okay, so let's do it. 2 pumps of red. 1, 2. It's actually going. 3 pumps of yellow. Oh, nope. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 pumps of white.
Here's mine after I...
Ooh.
This seems like it's gonna be very messy. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's fun. Okay, honestly, this is fun, but it's very messy. I think we need our own brush, like a bigger brush with longer handle.
Yeah, and I wiped mine off already, but...
Mine's very pink. What do you think of the colors so far?
I mean, it's a pretty color.
Yes.
It doesn't look like the picture.
Should we just go on the lips? Yes, let's go on the lips.
Straight on?
Straight on.
No swatching.
No swatching. Yep.
All right.
With the same applicator?
Mm-hmm.
Holy.
That is pigmented, super creamy. Is this supposed to stay long?
Yeah, it's
I feel
long
like it's
lasting,
gonna-
it says.
Whoa, yours is actually really cool. We're complete opposites.
Wait, our shirts, our lips.
I mean, we are way off. And then this color is completely way off. The
we're-
one that I was trying to do was definitely a lot more muted. It has more mauve-y rose tones versus this is straight up bubblegum. And it's definitely a lot lighter on my lips than it is in the pot, which is interesting.
I'm like gothic and you look like this sweet girl with white and pink lips and I'm just like death knocking on your door over here.
Did you kill Ken?
Yeah, I killed Ken.
She...
Killed your boyfriend.
Okay, the formula is now that it's drying down, it's feeling a little bit, you can kind of see on my lips.
Kind of, oh, mine's not like that
Tacky?
at all.
Mine's different.
See?
Yours is looking
It's
more
dry.
of a liquid matte lipstick now. It's not bad. I think I want to give it like 5 minutes to really dry down and then let's try some more colors. Whoa, that's like barely any transfer. Oh, mine has a lot.
I think yours just isn't dry yet.
Well, I think I also applied a lot more than you did. Wow, yours is like no transfer.
Nothing.
Jeez, that's nice. We just showed
Are we
off the color.
Are we talking or?
Okay, so it's been at least like what, 10 minutes? There's still a little bit of transfer just on the outside.
Mm-hmm. It still looks wet from right here though.
I mean, it's pretty crusty, but it's not as sticky or tacky on me anymore. I mean, you're completely like almost 100% transfer proof. Okay, so the real test, how are we gonna take it off? I have some micellar water right here. Let's see if this will work. And if not, we're gonna take off the Makeup Be Gone. And maybe we should just go for that right away.
Or I could do this and you could do that. We'll see.
Let's see which one works, because yours
See
is
who wins.
so much more intense. So what is that? Oh, it's just like a balm.
Oh man, that smells good.
Wait, what is that? It actually smells really good. Do you apply it on just dry lips? You have to
I don't know.
warm it up. It's like the directions.
It's like oily.
Just on your dry face to melt
Alright.
any makeup. And then just water to emulsify and then rinse clean with lukewarm water.
I don't have any
Oh,
water.
it has collagen. We should just use this right here, right?
Oh boy.
Oh, it's working. Oh, it is working. It's literally like peeling off.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
I think we should add the
Moisture
these,
drops?
Yeah, it came with these moisture drops.
In both. Mm-hmm.
I guess that would make it more of like a satin finish.
Uh-huh. Because this definitely finished without any moisture drops. It's long, liquid, matte lipstick.
Feels
texture.
like that is it Maybelline? That Maybelline liquid matte lipstick.
This is the liquid lipstick she was talking about, the Super State Matte Ink. And it kind of has that texture as well. It's very lightweight, it's creamy, but once it sets and it stays. But it can look pretty crusty and dry if your lips are drier.
But
You
I
need a
have
little bit.
Yeah, I know. I'm not done. But with these, it does depend on the color, how
Yeah.
crusty it gets. So maybe that's why like yours was crustier because of the color.
Yeah,
I don't know why it
more
would make
pink.
a difference, but it does.
Okay, so we're doing custom lip shades on the actual website for the test that we both did. You're doing a little bit more brown,
Yeah, I'm gonna go real brown
real brown.
just to see.
Okay, and now I'm trying to go more rosy mauve with a little bit of a little brown as well, kind of this one.
Yeah.
No, it's definitely more rosy mauve.
She's gonna do that one
And which one are you doing?
right here.
Okay, let's go for it. Oops. All right, we're going back to your shade now. Look at this. That is
Yeah.
not what I did, not what I wanted. I'm gonna do, I think, maybe one more pump of white.
I
maybe
can't
yellow.
wait to show you what I've come up with.
I am nervous because mine is purple like Jackie's was in the beginning. Like,
Wait, what color were you trying
I was
to get?
trying to get more rosy mauve, like
Oh.
very pink. And that's why this right here, I'm saying it's very finicky, just because the amount of pumps, it's not equal every single time. So you have to be very precise with your pumping. I'm gonna add more white and more yellow.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Something went wrong.
What?
Green.
It is green.
This is the one thing also, like if you're using the recipe or their concoction online, you don't get what is on here. Oh wow, that's messy. And you see what I mean? Like how messy it can get?
You guys are going off script here.
not trying to go off script. We tried to follow the directions.
I mean, that's the beauty of it. You know, you can really, really customize it. This is kind of just a starting point to give you of a suggestion, and then you can look at the color and be like, oh no, that's missing the mark for me.
I like this color.
Fun factor is definitely there.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, and see, like I'm trying to pump the yellow and it's like not working, so I have to go back in and redo it. There you go. There's
Maybe
the
I'll
yellow.
do that too.
I think I'm just making a gray, honestly. I don't know what's happening here.
It's like school when everything just turns out brown.
Literally. It's just getting more brown.
That looks good. I like that. Here's mine.
Now, do you guys remember your formula?
No.
Heck no.
I lost count of how many pumps of yellow I did.
Add and then add some more. That's my
Yep.
formula. I'm gonna apply.
I'm excited for
Oh,
you.
it's gray.
You're so...
Somehow I still end up looking like death.
You look
It's my
great.
shirt.
That looks better.
Oh my god.
Look at the bottom lip color.
Oh, that's nice.
It's like that's what you were trying to
That's
go
what
for.
I was.
I did it for you.
Where did I go wrong?
You're welcome.
This
You
is
did-
gonna make me look ill. I'm not even gonna continue.
Oh my god,
Back
Jackie.
to the drawing board.
Looks like you took dirt with some ash.
I'm gonna try Milana's lip color.
And I'm going to do, like you said, a red. We're gonna do 2 pumps of red and 1 pump of white.
White?
White.
Okay, I think maybe 1 drop of moisture was not enough.
You need a lot more.
Still feels pretty dry. It's a little pale.
A little bit. You look deathly still. But the tone is pretty.
Thanks.
I feel like if you had a lip liner on, that would be stunning. So maybe what do we add in there?
Black?
The tiniest amount of black to darken it.
How do you? Is there a half pump?
Yeah, like pump very,
Are we
very
done
little.
using the thing? I think I'm just gonna.
Yeah,
do it like this.
we're done with the. We're just using them separately now.
like a.
If we get more
Oh,
control with that, well, I think that might be good.
That's enough or too much?
No, let's see. I mean, you can always add white.
Yes, you can always add white.
Oh,
What do we think of
geez.
this color?
Well, that's pretty. It doesn't look on your lips like it does in the pot.
No,
so.
on the pot, I feel like in the pot it looks darker, and yeah, on your lips it looks a lot lighter and more vibrant. What's in the moisture drops? Did it say?
Jojoba.
Jojoba. Yeah, I feel like that looks even lighter.
I added black.
We're opposite today. Okay, I'm gonna go with this red.
I think it's red.
That's actually really pretty.
That's pretty. Hey.
We got one color that we said is pretty, guys.
Don't mind me. I'm just mixing over here.
The moisture drops are so nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
I should have added more. How many did
like
you
this
add?
actually feels like a stain. I had like 2.5,
Okay.
but I have a lot less product than you do.
Well, I wonder why I've only added like 18 drops to this pot. I'm just gonna go right on top of what I've already got going on.
There you go.
It's still the same color.
Literally the same color. That
I
did
added-
nothing.
I added red.
Add a little bit of that into here.
This into there.
No, the other one.
What?
The other one, this one right here, not the one you're holding. So a little bit of mine.
But the pale color I had plus a little bit of hers.
Yes. So it's a little bit more, you look a
I
little
have-
more alive.
I have some life.
Yeah.
Is that the magic formula right there that you
I
have?
think so.
That's the perfect red.
We'll
Did you
never
add
get it
that
again.
That is actually really pretty. What do you think?
It's good. It's a little pinker than what I would pick.
So it seems like creating your custom colors is more difficult than...
Very difficult. We do have both of them. We have the cool and the warm.
Mm-hmm.
And to get this color, I used it from both sides, warm and cool. Same with you.
Yeah.
So I will say you are limited when you do get one, the cool tone or the warm toned. Overall, I think I like this color right here. I think it's really pretty. It's very spring and summery. It's very kind of like a poppy raspberry pink shade.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like the moisture drops in here? I think I should have done more, but right now it feels like I said a stain instead of a liquid lipstick formula. It's very lightweight on the lips and it feels really good.
Yeah.
What about
but
you?
even with the moisture drops, it's not a satin finish.
No, no,
It's
no.
still matte.
Yes, it's still very.
I mean, on me. On
it
you,
is. Yes, it is.
It looks very matte. It is cool though.
It is cool. I think it's definitely you do it with somebody. Like I'm
Maybe
so
there's
happy
a
you did
learning
it
curve.
with me. I think it's honestly just trial and error.
So the app wasn't of much help.
Honestly, no.
I don't think any of the color suggestions are of any help. Unless we're just like, but I took this one straight out of the warm tone. kit and followed the directions, and I still didn't get the right color.
So if somebody wanted to get custom colors, you would recommend?
Honestly, yeah, this is really fun. I am taking mine right here to reapply if I need to. We'll just do quick little updates throughout the day, but yeah, we're gonna leave it here. Overall, it is expensive, but then if you kind of break it down, you are getting a lot for your money. But I personally would suggest to get both warm and cool tone kits, or just get the colors separately. Not the actual 2 kits, but just
Get the other red, the other yellow.
Alrighty.
That was fun.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Thank you for doing this with me.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you guys later on for the updates.
Okay, so this is 7 o'clock, so probably 5 hours since I've had it on. Color's still there. It's still really comfortable. It's not flaking or anything. It's just not quite as pigmented as it was when I first put it on, but it's still looking pretty good.
This is what I'm looking like. It definitely is acting more like a stain, but the one thing is, after I had the late lunch, early dinner, it basically got rid of the longevity of the lipstick product. I did this and so much of it comes off, like you can see, but there's a little bit of color left underneath. So personally to me, with those moisture drops, which I think are essential for the comfortability of the formula, it doesn't make it last once you start eating and drinking food. So yeah, keep that in mind. But I would say apply in light layers, get that stain going, and then if you need to, reapply. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. I'm not gonna update at the very end of the night just because I know how it's going to wear. It's comfortable, I like the color, and you guys know my thoughts already on the entire process, but this is what we're looking like after I've eaten and drinking and had this lipstick on for many hours.